is strawberry. And this is blueberry. We're gonna need banana and almond milk.
I'll help you, Mommy.
You'll help me?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna need blueberry. We're just put a little bit of blueberry there. And then ice. So this is a little bit of ice. Yes. Then we have here the strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry. You like strawberry? Not really. Okay. And the banana. So this is our banana. Yes, bananas. So bananas, we're just gonna peel the bananas and put it in there. Oops. Oh, it fell.
Put it there.
Yeah, put it in there.
I'll help you, Mommy. I'll help you.
Thank you for trying to help, but mommy don't need help. Thank you though. Banana, put it there.
Put it there.
So of course we're gonna put the chocolate powder. I want it to be a little bit extra. I'm gonna be doing extra here by putting chocolate powder.
Chocolate
Powder, yes. And the almond milk.
then the milk.
Almond milk.
Then the milk. Mommy.
So, I think that should be enough. And
Enough.
yes, cover it. Okay, make sure everything's tight in. And then let's click smoothie. Let's click this one. Why it's not working?
Mommy.
Perfect. From there, let's take it out. You like it? Wow. Yes, shake. Yummy.
And then the juice.
Yes. Healthy drinks.
Healthy drinks.
Wow. That's my straw. And that's your straw.
Mommy.